Hey friends, for this week's tutorial video, we're going to look at Wild Turkey Handstand. We'll set up using the wall as a prop to start out. Plant your hands shoulder width apart. I want my left hand about a foot and a half away from the wall. And I need to transfer all of my weight out of this right leg. So get your shoulders on top of your wrists and take your left foot to the wall at about the height of the hip. Lean forward, get the weight into the hands. Push into the wall to pick up the right leg. You can keep the left leg that's against the wall straight and bend the right knee, or you can bend your left knee and straighten out the right leg. That doesn't matter, but I love using the wall as a prop for Wild Turkey because it really helps you find the shape. You can also use a block if we're hopping towards it, and I'll show you from a few different angles. So planting the block on the mat, hands shoulder width apart, right leg on the floor, left leg reaches up. Bend your left knee, pull your heel in close, lean forward, get your shoulders on top of your wrist, and then kick your right foot out to the side at about 3 or 4 o'clock. Come down and try the other side. We can also work this as a press. From this angle, I'll do the other side. Left foot on the block, right leg reaches high, bend your right knee, lean forward, get your shoulders on top of your wrist. In order to press, I need to be able to stack my shoulders on top of the wrist. So this left foot just gets light, and I just push it out to the side. Again, no weight remains in the left foot in order to press. To look at it from another angle, hands shoulder width apart, left leg flies, bend the knee and open it up, kick your right foot out to about 3 or 4 o'clock. Or again, that press is leaning forward, getting all of the weight out of the right leg to push it out to the side. It's not easy, takes a lot of practice. Give it a shot. If you like the video, hit the like, share the love. Namaste.